Hello everyone, welcome to week 2. So week 1 was just an introduction week, right? And you had a little bit of an extended time for week 1 since we started the week, later. So we started on Thursday. So I gave you an extra little bit to complete week 1. Now we're on week 2. I know it might seem like it's sort of week 3, but we're on week 2 now. And we're talking about nonverbal communication. So nonverbal communication, of course, is one of the most important parts of communication because they say, I think it's close to the majority of your communication is nonverbal. And people might question that, but it's in the presentation here, and there's a lot of good information that you can take take back to not just what you do with in school, but also what you potentially could use in employment in the future. So, how we react, our facial expressions, the way we're moving our hands when we speak. There's a lot of interesting dynamics for nonverbal communication and make people feel welcome in regards to how you're speaking to them. So a lot of links in this week's work, so make sure to take a look at the presentation, of course, and then some links in regards to what you might take a look at outside this course's dynamic. Further, look at a cover letter, because we're going to have a cover letter that's due in the future. We do both cover letter and a resume in this class, and I think it's really important that you have that ready for when you apply to a job outside of school. Some of you might have a job now, but I think this is really helpful in regards to your future, and you can really dictate how to move forward with your career if you have a positive resume and cover letter. So you also have a week 2 review, which is due. Be sure to click on that and make sure that you do your initial post by Wednesday and then your replies by Sunday. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Appreciate all you're doing, and thanks for the effort so far.